Are you confused about weather? Do you need to know the correct location where to look exactly what the weather will do? Let me help and provide you some information because here it's raining like crazy. Rain, rain, go away, come back another Hello, day. Welcome to my Forest Destiny channel. Hope you guys are all liking it. I have many videos and many learning aspects all throughout the world, so check it out. I want to tell everyone about weather. You know, everyone wants to regular weather apps, and these weather apps are quite not accurate at all. They tell you it's going to rain, but it doesn't rain. And I want to tell you the best app, which is this ventusky.com. You can see it at the top of the screen here. So you can also, this is in side view. I'm doing it on my phone here as a screen recording just to show you. I tried to find a app or system to use my iPad and mark on at the same time while screen recording, but there doesn't seem to be anything like that. So hopefully that comes out in the future. But anyways, I will show you here what's kind of going on. So here you have your search bar on the top left. You have all your settings. And here on the left side of the screen, you'll see the orange icon called temperature. If we push this temperature, we can change these to anything we want. You can basically be your own meteorologist here. If you want to know your wind speed, it has the whole entire world of wind speed here, okay? And you want to zoom in on an area, it tells you exactly. You can do over here to the right-hand side in the middle of the screen, it says 10 m above ground. That's 10 meters above ground. We can change this to a higher elevation. So it will change the wind speed. So such as if you're in an airplane or if you plan on surfing or if you're higher in the mountains, you can change this. You can become your own meteorologist. Now, the thing about this Ventusky that's the best is it's never lied to me one time. I've traveled all over the world with this app, traveling on my motorcycle, and it's never failed me once, okay? You have all these applications for waves, snow cover, air quality, humidity, thunderstorms, air pressure. So, like me and like most everyone, we always want to know if it's going to rain. So here, the third one down, precipitation. Here, you can see this is let's zoom out here. This is Africa. You can see the whole world, the whole map of everywhere, of what's going on, if a hurricane is coming, where it will travel, and everything. You can do your days and times. Down here at the bottom, you can see it says today, 22:05:03. You can change this till tomorrow. You can change the times. This on the right hand side in the middle of the screen, it says 3 hours. We can change this to 1 hour. So let's just go here to America and we will go and click this box out. Now we basically see there's not much thunderstorms or rain at all, USA, for tomorrow, okay? There does seem to be a thunderstorm in the middle, and I want to kind of just show you how this is going to work. So the more you zoom in, the more you can tell exactly where the rain is going to go, okay? We have a 1 hour interval setup time. Let's change it and go to 4 o'clock p.m. Now you see the thunderstorm. These numbers are basically the centimeters of how much it's going to rain. So you can basically get a draft of where the storm's going, okay? Let's see, let's click next. It's going to change to 5 o'clock p.m. Now the storm is going east. We can clearly see that the northern part of the storm is breaking up. You can go here to 6 o'clock. You can still see the northern part of the storm is breaking up. And now even the southern part, you go to 7 o'clock and the storm is breaking up. Now there seems to be another storm here on the left hand side, the western part of the original storm, it seems to be building up. Okay, it was 0.83, now it's 0.67. The color graph is pretty simple though. The red, of course, is the most severe, and then it kind of goes down in the colors. The blue, the gray, where it says 000 is basically no storm, no rain. From the highest point is red, orange, yellow, and it kind of goes into the number sequence of there. But the thing about this app is you can literally pinpoint every single hour of where the storm is going to go, and you can zoom in on your map exactly of where the storm is going to be. Okay? It's very simple to use. I know a lot of people don't seem to understand this because I tell everyone to come on this Ventusky. It's the best app. It tells you it's all ran off of satellites. It's a satellite base around the whole entire globe, and you can pinpoint exactly where you are on the map, where you're going to be heading. It tells you a sequence of interval of every hour to every 3 hours. It can go up to like 10 days in advance. You can see here current days, and it can go till here, the 6th. The 7th, it doesn't seem like it will let us go anymore, but a week. And this is just, you can go to radar. You can see an overall view of how things are. You can go click here and go to clouds, wind speed. If you click on thunderstorms, this is going to kind of be your more broad view of the atmospheric of your pressures. So you can, over here on the right hand side again, it says CAPE, C-A-P-E. You can click on this. This is all your SIN index, your lift index. So this is kind of how your meteorologists read from a broad perspective and tell you in your area, which is probably 50 kilometers or 20-mile radius. And that's quite big. I mean, usually storms are only a couple miles long, or 4 or 5 kilometers big. They're not as big as people think they are, unless a huge tropical storm or hurricane is coming by. But just your normal average storm, and people want to understand a lot better of where the storm is going to go. This app is the best, and it has never lied to me. It's always been on point. So if you're ever looking to travel anywhere, you can see where the storms are going to go. You can click your next. You can tell where the storm will go, and you can see the storm is heading more east also. So, and again, you can zoom in to the point of where about the vicinity that you are at, and you can judge exactly if the storm is going to be there, how much it's going to rain, and where the storm will be at in the next day or the next time. So I just want to let everyone know this, and I hope you share this video. I know it's not the best video to make, but it's a very easy app to understand. If you want to understand more about thunderstorms and stuff, you can come over here and you can Google all these, SIN index and lifted index, and you can Google it very easy. Just type in SIN thunderstorms under Google search, and it will tell you exactly what the meaning is of the numbers. But the easiest way for this app is just go up here to precipitation, and you can judge exactly every hour of where the storm will go, and you can easily just zoom in. You zoom in all the way, and it can tell you where you're at and everything. Very simple to use. I hope that you subscribe and like this page, and also share it amongst your friends. Take care. Hello, welcome to Thor's Destiny channel. I hope you enjoy.